Hi, my loves. Sorry, I know I sound worse than I actually am. I'm actually quite on the mend when I'm feeling a bit better today. Still look really pale and just like death warmed up, but that's what happens when you're under the weather. So, sorry, let's just start that again. I just want to say happy Vlogmas day 4. So I've missed one day of Vlogmas, which I'm not too upset about because we're getting there. I'm just behind with my uploads just because I was sick and then I was behind with my editing. I put in that Wonder Brow yesterday, do you remember that? I just put it in just to see what it was like, and it's kind of like stained my eyebrows, and I'm not like upset about it. I'm kind of happy about it. I'm waking up this morning with like eyebrows. I had the weirdest sleep last night. I was like waking up in cold sweats. And I have like my time of the month as well, which is just adding to the whole annoyance of being sick, and I'm just so fed up of being sick. I was up there with my mum and I was just getting medication for my head. I'm on like Nutriton cold and flu, and I was taking like Sinutab like then after like 6 hours and stuff. Nothing's really working for me, but anyway, I was just saying to my mum, I was like, I'm sick of being sick. I was like, I have so much I want to do, like with Vlogmas, and I want to bring you places, I want to have fun, and I just feel like I'm just not able to. But I'm kind of getting better every day, so hopefully we will be like right on schedule for Vlogmas, because I hate disappointing you guys and I love Vlogmas, and I just remember how much fun I have filming vlogs anyway. And Vlogmas is the most wonderful time of the year, but I have like things I want to do, like I want to watch movies with you guys, and I want to go shopping to Penny's, and we need to go to Costa. I haven't even tried their Christmas drinks yet, and you guys know how obsessed I am with Costa's Christmas drinks. I think like 2 years ago I just lived on them. I hope you guys are having, look at the state of my hair, I hope you guys are having a fabulous day today, and what he is up to. My necklace is choking me. Ugh. But on my St. Christopher's medal, my sister gave this to me, I think last year. No, she gave it to me when I went to Vietnam. That's nearly like, it'd be 2 years ago in April. That's crazy. But it's St. Christopher's and she has it engraved to tell me how much she loves me. So I'm gonna try and edit. I was just reading over comments there as well, and you guys are so sweet. You leave like the nicest comments ever. But one comment I was getting actually was about my hair, and somebody had asked me, do I miss being really blonde? Obviously like I'm a lot darker than I used to be, and the answer to that is yes. I miss being super blonde. I miss it so much. Like being blonde is just like part of my identity. Not to be dramatic, but I really love being blonde. But I obviously have gone darker because this, I look so weird. I look like a rugby player or something, like I've like big shoulders on me. This jumper is like massive. It's like the most coziest jumper ever. It's been really blonde because I loved the look of being really blonde, but the maintenance on it is ridiculous. Like my hair was snapping constantly. Like all these bits that I have here, all that is all new growth, and when I was really blonde, it was like right up to nearly my head. It was so short and stumpy. I don't know if any of you guys remember it, but it was just so short. Like that's all new hair growth just this year because my hair was so damaged from being blonde. Yeah, love being blonde, miss it so much, but bottom line is it's not good for your hair and it's just too much bleaching, and it was damaging my hair. So next year, my hairdresser and I have discussed it, that I'm gonna go a little bit blonder next year, as in like the summertime, but for the next, maybe like next time I get my hair coloured, I'm gonna kind of keep the dark route, but the time after that, which will be coming up to summer, we're gonna try and go a little bit blonder because yeah, I do miss it. Anyway, so that was just like a question I was seeing yesterday. Another one was asking, am I going to have Paddy in more vlogs and stuff? I don't know, like if we're hanging out and he's okay with it, then yeah, and if like he's not in the mood, then no. It's all up to him because I don't care. Obviously I vlog myself all the time, but obviously he's not used to that, but he's super supportive, like, and he doesn't really mind. But in the vlogs, it's just me that's like, here, I'm not gonna put him in the vlog too much because I just don't want to be like shoving a camera in his face, kind of exact same way as with my friends, except for Lisa. Lisa loves the camera. Lisa's all about the camera, so whenever I'm around her, if I'm vlogging, she really doesn't mind. It doesn't bother her. Damien doesn't mind it either, so it just depends on the people. And then in the form you're in, like, I know what it's like when I'm vlogging. Some days I'm just like, I'm not in the form for even showing my face on camera today, so I couldn't imagine what it's like for someone who doesn't do this for a living. Blabbered on enough. I'm gonna get up, try and get myself organized, not stay in bed today because I didn't do that yesterday, and I think I kind of overdid it yesterday, but I don't want to stay in bed. I'm sick of being in bed. I'm sick of being sick. It's just so boring. And it's just so annoying because when you have things to do in your head, you're like, get me out of this bed now. But then you have no energy. Ugh. So I really want to go and get a Costa coffee. I'd love to go and do that now, actually. I think that's what I will do next. And then we might take a trip into Penny's to see what's new in there. Even though I was in there, what day was it? No, what day was it? It was the day, yeah, the day I put up the vlog saying that I couldn't talk. I think that was Sunday or Monday. And I was in there with Patty. I met a lovely subscriber, a couple of subscribers actually, but I met a particularly really nice subscriber. Her name was Rachel, and she was so like, so sweet. She was like giving me hugs and she was just so adorable. It was just really, really nice, and she just stands out in my head. Anytime I meet subscribers, I love it. And anytime I put up a vlog and stuff, people were like, oh, I saw you that day. And I was like, why didn't you come up to me? They do write in my Instagram and stuff, and I love when you guys come up to me. Come up to me and say hello. Doesn't matter who I'm with. I love talking to you guys and I love meeting you. So if you do see me out and about vlogging over Christmas or any time, come up to me because it makes me so much happier. Okay, so we're in the car, we're going to Costa, we're going to pick up a coffee because I really feel like I need one, and I just needed to get out of the house as well. I'm having severe cabin fever. Hi guys, so I'm back from Costa and I got myself hazelnut praline latte, and I think they had these ones last year. It's super nice, it's lovely. It's not as nice as the billionaire latte that they had like 2 years ago that I don't know why they don't make anymore. It's super annoying because it's my favorite, and everyone said that the hazelnut praline was like a replacement for it, but it isn't. It is still tasty, don't get me wrong, but it's just not as nice as the billionaire. Anyway, I'm just sorting out my underwear drawer. Fascinating, but I'm trying to like get rid of like ones that I don't wear anymore because I did buy new ones, and I bought a new pair of pajamas which I'm going to change into from Penny's, and I think that's all I got. I'll show you exactly what I got. Deals, and I had to pick up some biscuits. I'm dying for some biscuits, so I got the Fox's Crunch Creams and McVitie's Ginger Nuts because hello, they're like my favorite. They're my favorite biscuits ever. Absolutely love them. Had to pick them up. And then I got these cheesy swirl things. These are like Halloween ones, but I love them. They're like just what you call it, like cheese puff type things. And what else did I get in deals? Oh yeah, mini cheddars. I love cheese flavored crisps, if you haven't already realized. But I don't know why everything's all the same color. It's kind of weird. And that's all I got in deals. I just really wanted some like crisps, some cheesy puff things, and then I just saw them as well. I was like, yes, let's get these too. And then from Penny's, I literally got next to nothing. I just got Jammies new underwear, and then I got 2 packs of earrings. That's the height of it, because there's absolutely nothing in Penny's at the moment. So these are just the undies I got. I just needed new ones. I didn't want any more thongs or anything. I have so many of them, and I just wanted actual proper underwear. So I got these ones. I usually get the Brazilian ones, but they didn't have any Brazilian cut ones, so I just got the mini ones instead. These are the earrings that I got. I like silver jewellery. I go through phases. Sometimes I like silver, sometimes I like gold. I'm going through a bit of a silver phase at the moment. So I got these like little tiny hoop ones. I just thought these might be nice in some of my piercings that are like my rook and stuff like that. I don't know, I just got them for different parts of my ear, obviously. And then I always like need these little studs for different piercings on my ear, obviously, and I lose them so regularly. Like, I mean, I lose them all the time, so I needed new ones. And then the jammies I got were Minnie Mouse. And they're long sleeved and long leg, and that's exactly what I wanted because I'm currently cleaning out my old jammies. We're doing a declutter of jammies today, so if you want to join me decluttering jammies, you're more than welcome. So here is my jammy drawer, currently bulging at the seams, and I just need to kind of go through it and throw out old jammies. These are kind of new. My Barbie ones are all new. I have a few night dresses that are new, so I just want to kind of declutter the ones that are not new. So we're just going to throw everything out on the floor and just get rid of what we don't need. I'm so much happier with that. My pajama drawer is a lot more neater. I don't know why that's doing that. Maybe we'll move these over here because these are long, and to be honest I'm not going to be really wearing shorts, so I'll move them over here, push that down. But my pajama drawer is a lot more organised. There we go, much better. I wear an awful lot of pink pajamas. I think that's a conclusion we've come to. A lot of Barbie and a lot of Disney. So I have one onesie, and then everything else is kind of much more organised. So I'm going to put on my new jammies, I think. Yoo-hoo! Little Minnie Mouse ones. Why won't that focus? There we go. Minnie Mouse. So cute. And then I love the bottoms. They're just Minnie all over them. And then I just put some fluffy socks on. And I like that they're kind of like baggy as well. So cute! Okay, so I'm much happier. I've kind of cleaned and decluttered. And yeah, I'm going to go and get something to eat. I think I haven't eaten anything all day because I'm just not really feeling, I'm feeling horrible. I look horrible, I sound horrible, so I think I just need to like eat and like build up my strength a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna go do now. Okay, so I'm currently editing yesterday's vlog and that should be up soon. It usually takes me about an hour and a half to edit a vlog, so I have the fire lit and I have a movie on. I'm watching Going the Distance. I've never seen it before, so I don't even know if it's any good or not, but Drew Barrymore's in it and I really like Drew Barrymore, so we'll see what we think of it. But yeah, that's what I'm at currently, and I still have my coffee on the go as well, 10,000 years later. I love a fire. Yeah. Look at Chewy Pooch on the stairs. Look at his poochy leg. Look at his poochy face. Chewy is a little poochie. Oh, Chewy's hanging out with me now. And the fire's still lit. And my video is finished and it's exporting. So I'm very, very happy. You will have a vlog today. It's a bit later than I thought it would be because it's 7 o'clock now. And it's just exporting. But we'll be all good to go. I just finished the movie now, so I'm going to put on Neighbours. Christmas tree preparations have begun, guys. We're starting to put the Christmas tree together. Very exciting. Coming together. And there it is, all together. Woohoo! Do the lights next. So excited for Christmas. So the tree is going up, guys. I'm super excited. Christmas is definitely kicking off with a bang right now. Daddy and me are just like fixing the tree and putting it up. My sister is over visiting my little cousin. We're just waiting for Mum and Ollie to get home to start doing the decorations and stuff. Super excited. Even as sick as I am, I can still do the tree. Like, there is just nothing stopping me. Oh my god, guys, I found Sister Sister. It's on Sky. I'm so excited. I absolutely loved this growing up, and I'm just so excited to be watching this with the fire going. It is epic. Oh, first little Christmas decoration all lit and ready to go for Christmas season. I've got, because remember we used to have the battery on Christmas lights. me put your hat on, Chewy. Come here. Let me put your hat on. Yeah. Look at the little elf dog. You look so cute with your hat, Chewy. How much do you hate it on a scale of 1 to 10? Oh my god, you hate that hat.
Take it off him.
I am taking off from here. No, no more hat. Horrible hat. What a cute face. Ever the cutest face in the world. Oh yes. Oh look, it's Aurora. No, where's she gonna go? Aurora's going up here. Here you go. Watch up to Chewy. Watch up to Chewy. Watch up to Chewy.
It costs 50 pence plus any network access charge. 15 pence a week paid vote goes to Make-A-Wish UK. Or you go to the app and vote up to 5 times for free. Please don't try and vote if you're watching on +1 or on demand.
If you vote from the landline, it's that long number.
Hey Chewy. No! Getting into bed and I am obviously turning in for the night. It's really late because we spent ages doing the Christmas tree. Then we're watching I'm a Celeb to Get Me Out of Here and I'll just take my socks off. And then we were listening to Christmas music. So I'm so excited that we're all into Christmas and putting the decorations up and stuff. It's just so exciting. Tomorrow, I don't think I have any major plans. I'm staying with my boyfriend tomorrow night and I think I'm staying with him Friday night as well. I think I'm just staying with him for like the next couple of days as I just decided I need to change scenery and we want to spend a few days together. So, yeah, so I think that's pretty much everything. I had such a lovely day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas. I'm so excited for Christmas, guys. I just need to start my Christmas shopping and stuff. I'm feeling a million times better. I even sound a bit better, like I'm definitely on the mend. I have a bit more energy and stuff, so I'm just feeling so much happier. Also, Wonder Brow product still in my brows and I've like washed it out. I don't know why it's still in there. Does anybody know or has anyone used Wonder Brow? Does it stay in your brows? Like I have washed the product out, like I have no makeup on, but my brows still look really dark. And it's the only thing I put in my brows the last few days, so I don't know, does it stay in your brows or am I totally like losing the plot? I don't know. Anyway guys, I'm gonna love yous and leave yous. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and I will talk to you in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Mwah. Night night. Bye.